Hi guys, how are you? As you know, we are building an end-to-end project WhatsApp AI chatbot with N8N, and this is the step-by-step process. The first video is already uploaded on this channel. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like because we are going to build so many agents for the real world problem to solve. So till now we build a WhatsApp trigger in NTN. So this WhatsApp trigger will responsible to receive message whenever the customer will send you message on business account. That time this WhatsApp trigger, and after trigger, after receiving the message from customer, we need one more WhatsApp. So let's create it. Click on this open notes panel, and then I am to search WhatsApp business cloud, and here send message, select this one, and here I have to create new credentials. As you see, for this to sending message on WhatsApp we need access token and business account ID. So for that I am going back to WhatsApp meta and the meta account for developer. As you see, I come back to my meta app dashboard, and on the right side, on the left side of slide bar of the sidebar, as you see WhatsApp. Inside this WhatsApp we have an option. We have option quick start. You will select this quick start. Here you will see the WhatsApp business platform, and then you have to click on this. As you see, here is the access token things. You see no add a phone number when I hover a mouse pointer here. So and below you see send and receive messages. The step 1, select phone number from which you will send message to the WhatsApp. So the test phone numbers, the meta will allow you to send free messages from 90 days, and also meta will provide you the test phone number. This is the test number. This is meta will provide you to send messages to the WhatsApp business API for 90 days to the WhatsApp number, and you can use your own phone number as well. For own phone number you will select this add phone number. So in this tutorial I am going with the test phone number which meta will provide me, and in the 2, from this number I am going to send message to another number. I am going to manage phone number list. When I click this, you have to select the country code and then provide the number which you want to send messages. So in this case I am going to send messages to my own number from beta provided test phone number. I hope this will make sense for you. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to select in the country code and number. You have to click on next, and you will receive a 5-digit code on your own WhatsApp business message which you provide in this. As you see, I am getting the code on my own WhatsApp business number. Then I fill this 5-digit number in this, and then you have to click on next. After that, everything is set till now. After everything is set, now we have to click on the generate access token. We need this. I successfully generate access token, so you have to copy this. I come back again to my workflow automation in NTN, and here in access token I'm going to paste my own generated access token. As you see, I pasted my access token here. After that I have to copy one more thing from here. I have to copy the WhatsApp business account ID, copy this. I have to paste it here, and then I have to save this. After that, go back. As you see, we set from receiving and from sending. So let's try to send a message. Message successfully sent message. In Meta, you have to click on this message. This will send from this message, from this testing number. As you see, I am getting this message which I have sent on my own number. I save it with WhatsApp N8N tutorial, and I am getting this number, this message. So successfully received message on my own number from Meta provided WhatsApp number. As you see, I am getting an error. Let's see what is this. As you see, I am using this WhatsApp account, and the resources and message. When the message we receive, then we'll reply, and the operation will send. This WhatsApp account is responsible to send message. So here the sender phone number ID is this, the test number, and the reception phone number. I am going to provide my own number. The receiver is the customer, and the sender is this. This number, this sender phone number will message to the customer, and the customer message reply on the customer message. I hope this will make sense for you. If any don't know, please comment it. After providing my own number, then we have to provide text body. So I set the text body, how can I help you? Then I am going to back to canvas. As you see, the error is solved. In this way, you will send and receive and adjust the message in N8N. Now it's time to save it. Now it's time to test it.